Right side.
Look center.
Right corner.
Look center.
Yes, ma'am. Here, please. First camera.
Now we are center. Excuse me.
One more right corner. Thank you. Yeah. One more. Turn right.
After getting award. I am going to be presenting an award, so I'm not getting an award, and my company is performing tonight. So that's again something that I'm very closely associated with, part of the performing arts. So it gives me great pleasure to really worthy and pursue his music. So I think it's great that I'm giving such an award to such an amazing human being, and I feel very privileged to be here. The NRI Awards for Times in India is basically, for Times Now, is basically an amazing way of telling people out there, because the NRIs are really the brand ambassadors of our country. So when they go abroad and they set up their own businesses in their world, they kind of make the people outside our country aware of what resources, or what human resources we have, or what capabilities we have. And with them shining as examples, they kind of also promote the concept of what India truly is. It's global, it's opening up its windows to the world, and if you look at our Prime Minister to how the growth patterns have happened, I think we're really about to conquer the world. So I'm really happy to be part of this, and I'm very proud that all our NRIs are doing so well. And it's a great way to also felicitate them and to also encourage them to do better. So just happy about that.
डायरेक्ट लगा डायरेक्ट
Right. Absolutely. Every award, especially when it comes from a recognized body like Times Now, who clearly know what they are doing, and they are into this in a very manner. I think it kind of strengthens the belief of it all kind of adds value to the work that they do. It gives them also opportunities and windows to interact, and the fact that an award ceremony like this also brings in people from the banking institutions that lend money and that do transfers and do all of that. Where every day it's a business, and for the business community that is linked to the NRI, it's very important that we come face to face with the people who can facilitate those single window processes. So I think it's great that an awards ceremony, not just for the awards, but also for the fact that they can socially mingle, figure out who's who, how can they move forward. It's also a meeting for great minds and great people who are doing business together to understand who's doing what in each country, apart from India, because so it kind of also gives you insight about what the people outside you are doing. And I think that's great in itself. And of course, the award itself also consolidates your belief that whatever you're doing is right and in the right path. नहीं, मेरी कंपनी डांस परफॉर्मेंस कर रही है, टेरेंस लुइस कंटेम्परेरी डांस कंपनी। मैंने इसको कोरियोग्राफ किया है, बहुत ही बढ़िया एक्ट किया है, कंसेप्चुअलाइज किया है। तो इस इवनिंग को मद्देनजर रखते हुए मैंने एक ब्यूटीफुल सा एक्ट कंपोज किया है। NRIs जो हैं उनके लाइफ पे, उनके उसूल पे, उनके जो वैल्यू सिस्टम्स हैं, उन्हीं को मद्देनजर रख के एक परफॉर्मेंस दिया गया है ओपनिंग एक्ट में। और क्लोजिंग एक्ट में डूइंग अ वेरी नाइस बिग बॉलीवुड meets Hollywood kind of a bash. So it's going to be a celebratory one.
इंडस्ट्री की बात किया जाए तो फिर कौन आपको NRI लगता है इंडस्ट्री?
बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा, काफ़ी सारे एक्चुअली बॉलीवुड में से NRI
whom you feel is with NRI kind of
See, NRI is a non-resident Indian, which means they don't reside in India. They are Indians, but they are living abroad and having a business set up there. So I'm not sure कि वो अगर Bollywood industry में होते हैं, how are they going to kind of manage? Because you have to be in India. So is there any Indian that I know from the Bollywood industry who is an NRI? In the Bollywood industry, no, but probably I know a lot of NRIs. So my brother is an NRI, I can tell you, but I don't know in the Bollywood industry. Sorry.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
So today at the NRI Awards by Times, I have come to receive the award for the global impact that Bahubali has had this year. And it's immense pleasure because as an actor, this is once in a lifetime opportunity where you get a film which influences people way beyond the film. I think people remember character names, people. I mean, Bahubali became like a mania. So to be a part of a franchise like that, I think is first of all a really amazing experience, and then being honored for it is there could be nothing better than that. So I'm very thankful to Times Now, and this award is truly very deserving to the entire team who's worked so hard for so many years to make this amazing film, which hopefully will be remembered forever.
So after the success of Bahubali, which one you choosing to select any script of the movie?
Well, for me, after Bahubali, it's more important for films that excite me. This year I have 3 projects. One is a Hindi film called Khamoshi that is being produced by Vashu Bhargavaji, and there is Prabhu sir acting. I'm doing a Tamil film called Sketch, which is with Vikram, and I'm doing a Telugu film which is untitled, but it's directed by Kunal Kohli, and Sandeep Kishan is acting. And what I love about the time that I am in right now is that the lines between languages is just blurring. People are wanting to watch good films, people are wanting to watch good cinema. So the fact that regional cinema is being accepted in such a big way, I think it's a great time, and I'm happy that I'm working in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and I'm able to kind of give my time in a well assorted way to all these 3 languages, of which all 3 I can speak.
People are talking about you and Prabhas, the combination of both of you are receiving success. When do we see this dynamic, kind of a nuclear that, couple back again? Which project are we looking at?
I really hope Sudhir Prabhas is an amazing actor, and most importantly, he's an amazing friend. And it would be my pleasure, and would be the most fun process for me to again collaborate with him on a film. I know for a fact when we get the right project, we will collaborate together. And yeah, I'm sure till then we'll be creating cinematic magic anyway.
So is Bollywood, is Bollywood waiting for you? Because eventually you're going to do it down south, but when will Bollywood get seen?
I guess you will never know. I think somebody has to come up with a script where they think of casting us together again. And yeah, I hope everybody's listening.
So yeah, so another blockbuster.
Why not? Maybe in Hindi next time.
Absolutely.
It's really sad. See, if there is any kind of terrorism in any place, it's just, there's no sense to it. It's really tragic, and it's terrible to even hear of it. I have been in London twice when it happened in London, so I don't know. I think everywhere in the world the situation seems to be the same. At the end, it's just innocent people that get affected, which is so unfair. I don't know what more can we do except feel terrible and feel bad and condemn it. So it's just sad, and it's not a very good thing to know or a good thing to read. It's very disturbing actually.
You've been seen as a global icon in the last question. What do you have to say about the people residing out of India? Any message for them?
Well, what I think is people who actually live away from India, sometimes those Indians are way more Indian than Indians living in India. Because we are anyway exposed to all the Indianness that they can be. But there, I guess, people really want to catch and hold on to everything that is Indian. And it's beautiful. I have a lot of family that lives abroad, and I know how much they enjoy movies or anything related to our culture, the more they get to know about it, the more they're intrigued about it. So yeah, I guess the way we connect with them is through movies. So I hope we can make more movies that kind of go out and reach out to all the people, all Indians who live over there.
One line from Bahubali that you want to say, any dialogue for the fans?
Jai Maheshwati.
Thank you. Thank you.
मैम यहाँ पे विजुअल
Should I go to the top? Is that better?
guys, thank you ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am, straight.
Good, how are you?
So Sanam, today what you want to say about NRI of the year? What you're presenting?
Yes.
Or you're getting out?
No, of course not. I am here to present the award. I think it's an honor to present an award, especially for an NRI, which is so different if you see that way as compared to Bollywood. So it feels nice to know more things, as I always say when I come for awards, which is different from Bollywood awards, because that's something that I relate to you. I understand, I know people, but when you come to such awards, you get to learn more and get to know more. So it's kind of getting to know something new also. Yeah. I think appreciation in any form is the best thing. You know, whether you give them awards, whether you talk about them verbally, whether it's a mouth publicity. I always feel, everyone, irrespective of their fields, whatever they do, and if they're appreciated, it feels great. It gives them motivation. I think we all somewhere need motivation today. The kind of world we're living in and the kind of ups and downs we all have regarding something or the other, So हर इंसान को लगता है कि अगर मैं थोड़ा कर रहा हूँ या ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ, there is something that I'm doing, and there are people who are noticing it. So I think everybody wants their work to be noticed. So I think it's great.
So excited for movie toilet.
Yes, movie toilet sounds very weird. Yes, but I am really excited for the film, and I hope whatever the cameo that I've done, people really enjoy that. It's something very different apart from my popular perception that I have. So I'm really looking forward. It's just a month to go.
Good evening, Sana.
Hi.
You're presenting an award in which capacity आप यहाँ पे शामिल हो रहे हो?
Well, that they're going to tell me. I've just arrived, so I have no idea where are they placing it. But I am in a very simple way, I would want to see what's happening inside. I've never attended NRI Awards before. Last year, I had to give it a miss for some personal reasons. But I think today I'm going to see something different. I'm myself debuting here, so I'm going to go inside and see what exactly happens.
Any chance to be you being an NRI in the future?
That depends if I fall in love with an NRI guy. I wouldn't mind to be an NRI. I'm bored of being Indian now. Yeah, take two? Okay? Well, I don't mind being an NRI if I get an NRI guy, so that just depends on my future, so let's see.
Very smart answer.
Okay, yay!
NRI का perform?
मैं तो नॉन रिलायबल इंडियन ही बोलती हूँ बाकी तो जो
Very intelligent. सुना मुझे भी.
Okay.
Obviously, a person who can make others swing in their
Yeah.
He's an intelligent person.
Good, good, good. I'm happy that I am in that zone of yours. I hope you really mean that.
अब एक और जवाब आपको सामने देख के देना है कि ये
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just keep looking here. Yeah.
लास्ट सना आपकी संवेदना चाहेंगे जो अटैक हुआ है उसके ऊपर अनंतनाग में कुछ शरणार्थी मतलब दर्शन के लिए लोग जा रहे थे और उन पे अंधाधुंध गोलियां चलाई गई
जी।
आपकी तरफ से कुछ संवेदना के शब्द अगर आप कहना चाहें
Obviously, हर इंसान अपना हार्टफेल्ट कंडोलेंस दे सकता है, अपनी जो प्रार्थना है, दुआ है, प्रेयर, जो भी आप कहो, जो भी फॉर्म में जो लोग जिस तरीके से करते वही दे सकते हैं. एंड एज I always say that terrorism has no religion, so we cannot bound a religion and say these are terrorist religions or this is the religion that does terrorism. People who kill people are, according to me, are not worth living, no matter what religion they belong to. And I would never support terrorism irrespective of any religion they belong to, even if they are Muslims, because I am one. So people have a thing that, if a Islamic person is commenting, it's going to be a little biased. But I was very happy when the other situations में भी जो लोगों ने final result दिया था, and the final thing was I was with it and I'm today also with it. Whoever is it needs to be punished, needs to be given the worst punishment. And the only thing I can say is my heartfelt condolences is with the family and with everybody who's lost their loved ones, and this should never ever happen, no matter which country, no matter which city, no matter which religion. So yeah.
आपने बहुत अच्छी बात की और सबसे बड़ी बात जो रिलीजन की आपने बात की, मतलब उन लोगों को जो बस ड्राइवर था जिसने बचाया, he is a Salim.
Yeah. ऐसे I think बहुत सारी चीज़ें, even if you see the London attack, what happened, I think the major people who were helping were Muslims, but I never think I really feel it's so stupid because somewhere we are progressing so much, people are going to Mars, Moon, God knows where all, and then eventually you come back to Hindu Muslim. I think that's the worst debate to have. I don't stand by that. I have a lot of people who I've just come from a religious trip, so when I wear Western clothes, they start abusing me on Instagram, saying that, oh, you're a Muslim, you should not do this. I don't believe in this. I don't follow that. People's perception is not what I follow. I follow the way I live. I'm happy the way I am, and the person who I'm supposed to please is myself. And if my parents are happy, nobody else, people will keep judging you. So I think this always happens, and this is the worst thing to happen. So I definitely do not support it in any form.
Very well said. See, you have proved yourself to be an intelligent person.
So do I get an award for this now?
Yeah.
Can you recommend?
With your words, such a beautiful words and
Thank you.
very thought-provoking and wisdom, full of wisdom.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you. Bye-bye. One second, ये gown में Okay, done. जी?
Stand on this or down? All right.
So, Sophie, what's this NRI of the year hosting the show? How's been inside?
Well, it's been wonderful to be here to host the NRI of the Year Awards. First also because I myself am born and brought up abroad. I'm British. So while we have a lot of Indians moving overseas and representing India over there, I guess I'm an OCI who's come back to India to pursue my dreams, but it feels very good to see so many Indians living abroad and creating a name for themselves. It's what my family did when they moved abroad to the UK in the 1950s and created a name for themselves, and it feels amazing to see so many Indian achievers from diverse fields. So it's always an honor to host events like this. They're prestigious, there's some very special people in the audience, and yeah, it was lovely to be here.
So also Karan as a host with you, it's fun.
So Karan Thakur and I have known each other since Jhalak Dikhla, but it's the first time we worked together, and I think we did a great job together. We're friends, and that of course always helps. And yeah, I think we're both professional, and that's what it comes down to, good at what we do. And yeah, I love hosting, so it's great to be here.
What do you want to say about the recent incident was?
Pleasant evening, Sophie.
Thank you.
Sophie, what was the highlight of the evening?
I think there were many highlights of the evening. I think we had these incredible gentlemen from ISRO who were honored here. You know, very often awards में ज़्यादातर हम जाने माने लोगों को पहचानते हैं, उनको recognize करते हैं, खास तौर से films या sports या ऐसी industries से. लेकिन to award scientists who are responsible for getting those 104 satellites up there and India का नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं all around the world, I think that was very special. And of course, the other highlight, because I am from the entertainment world, was to see the Bahubali team get an award for the global impact. जो कि वाकई the movie made a huge global impact. और अभी तक तो वो China भी नहीं गई है. I think once it goes to China and it's released there, the amount of money and the respect and love the film is going to get is going to be tremendous. So I think those were wonderful highlights. And we've got amazing achievers, some of those young academics, the great Pankaj Advani. You know, हम हमेशा cricket को ज़्यादा support करते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत कभी hockey को कर लेते हैं, but snooker and billiards is something we really don't look at. But he's a 16-time world champion. I mean, that's incredible. So it was really nice to have these achievers here.
सोफी, आपका सिंगल सुन चुके हैं और अभी लोगों के मन में तृष्णा आती रहती है
क्या
और सुनने की,
क्या सुनने की?
आपकी सिंगल या गाने की?
जी, मेरा सिंगल आ रहा है. मुझे कुछ और सुनाई दिया, मुझे बहुत टेंशन हो गया कि आप सिंगल या किसी और चीज़ के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. बट नहीं, डेफिनेटली मेरा नया सिंगल आ रहा है. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग पेशेंट एंड फॉर लविंग इट. बट आई थिंक इन सितंबर you'll get some good news from me on the professional front.
वो तरसाती है ना, जैसे मतलब पिछली बार कितना
तरसाना चाहिए. हमारे grown up with the saying all good things come to those who wait. तो hopefully this will be worth waiting for. और पहली बार मैं किसी मेल आर्टिस्ट के साथ एक कोलैबोरेशन कर रही हूँ, and I can't wait for you all to see that.
कौन है, थोड़ा सा
बिल्कुल भी आपको नहीं बताऊंगी, फिर आप लॉन्च पे नहीं आओगे. आप लॉन्च पे आना, फिर मैं सब
you have always been very impactful in your words and your words always matter. सामने देखते हुए आपको जवाब देना है. Anand must have heard about the tragedy which some of the pilgrims met.
Yeah.
Some wishes for some prayers, or would you like to express something?
I think until a couple of years ago, we all used to talk about globalization. Okay, we all are becoming one. We all are becoming one. And in the past year, we're seeing that people want to become isolated. They want to become insular, and they don't want to mix with the world. And there's a lot of hate, a lot of fear in this world. और कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जो इसको बढ़ाना चाहते हैं और आपस में हम सबको अलग करना चाहते हैं. I'm very proud to be an Indian. I'm very proud to live in a secular country like this. I'm very proud that we are people from all castes, backgrounds, religions, and we all live in India as one. तो जो कोई भी हमें अलग करना चाहता है, मेरी बस हमेशा यही दुआ है और यही वार्निंग है उनको कि आप कुछ भी करेंगे, लेकिन हम कभी अलग नहीं होंगे. And the fact that so many more pilgrims went this morning shows that they're not afraid, and we will fight this. And the only way to fight terror is to stand united and to stand as one. तो मेरी बस यही दुआ है that we always stand united against terror in India, globally, because that's what the world needs right now. That is our biggest threat, our biggest enemy, and we need to fight it together.
Thank you so much for your
हाँ, उसके बगैर तो होने का होगा नहीं आपका. ऊपर
I always tell these people like you should make the artist comfortable, but they sometimes
You're
for technical reasons
they don't want to make us come. You're very thoughtful. Thank you. अपने नंबर बना रहे हैं. Boomerang pose, yeah, that my team will do. You're very tech savvy.